This is a Hampton watch company, and this one is absolutely gorgeous. This has a this particular pocket watch uses a pin set, so you have to kind of put your fingernail in this onto this button here. Oh, this thing cannot focus. And then rotate the crown to set the watch. We'll take a look at some of the photos from servicing this watch, and we'll show you the movement. Alright, this watch is absolutely gorgeous inside. The case is beautiful, and the movement is very nice. I believe this one is, what is it, 17 jewel movement. A lot of gold leaf lettering and so on and so forth, running very strong.